Ever wondered about the common misconceptions tied to women's reproductive health? It's a topic shrouded in myths, half-truths, and outright falsehoods that can lead to confusion and potentially harmful decisions. From the notion that it's normal to have painful periods to the belief that you can't get pregnant during your period, these misconceptions are widespread and persistent. Today, we're here to clear the air, to replace the fiction with fact. We're turning the spotlight on the 5 most pivotal things to avoid for optimal reproductive health in women. We'll discuss how neglecting regular checkups, ignoring mental health, poor nutrition, unhealthy lifestyle choices, and ignoring symptoms can impact reproductive health. Each of these areas is a cornerstone for maintaining a healthy reproductive system, and ignoring any one of them can lead to complications. So, buckle up. Stay tuned as we debunk these misconceptions and shed light on the truth. Starting at number 5, ignoring regular checkups. You might think missing an annual checkup here or there is no big deal, right? Well, think again. Regular checkups are the cornerstone of preventative healthcare, especially when it comes to reproductive health. They allow doctors to spot potential issues early, even before symptoms manifest. Now, you might say, I feel fine, why should I bother? Here's the deal. Many reproductive health issues such as ovarian cysts or even cervical cancer don't always present with noticeable symptoms in the early stages. By the time you feel something's wrong, the condition may have advanced significantly, or perhaps you're thinking, I'm too busy. Can you really afford to not make time for your health? With today's technology, scheduling an appointment is as easy as a few taps on your phone. Remember, early detection is key to prevention and cure, so don't ignore those regular checkups. They're more important than you might think. Coming in at number 4, neglecting mental health. Mental well-being plays a significant role in maintaining optimal reproductive health. It's a connection that's often overlooked, yet it's as vital as maintaining physical health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can have profound impacts on a woman's reproductive system. Think of it this way. When your mind is under a constant state of stress, it sends out signals to your body that it's not the right time for reproduction. This can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, cause hormonal imbalances, and even decrease fertility. Moreover, conditions like depression and anxiety can disengage a woman from taking proactive steps towards her reproductive health. The lack of motivation, the feeling of hopelessness, they can all lead to a neglect of regular checkups and a disregard for symptoms. In essence, mental health is intertwined with reproductive health. It's a symbiotic relationship. One cannot be in optimal condition without the other. Mental health is as important as physical health, never ignore it. At number 3, we have poor nutrition. This often overlooked aspect plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal reproductive health. You see, our bodies are like intricate machines, and the food we consume is the fuel that keeps these machines running smoothly. When we fail to provide our bodies with the right nutrients, it can lead to complications, especially in the realm of reproductive health. Now, let's talk about some nutrient-rich foods that are beneficial to the reproductive system. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and flax seeds are excellent for hormonal balance. Leafy greens, loaded with folic acid, are essential for preventing birth defects. Fruits and vegetables in general are packed with antioxidants that combat inflammation and improve overall health. Whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products also contribute significantly to a balanced diet. Remember, a healthy diet is more than just a weight management tool. It's a foundation for a healthy body. A healthy diet is a foundation for a healthy body. Number 2 on our list is unhealthy lifestyle choices. Now you might be wondering, how do my lifestyle choices affect my reproductive health? Well, let's break it down. First up, smoking. It's no secret that smoking is harmful, but did you know it can lead to fertility issues in women? Yes, indeed. It can damage the cervix and fallopian tubes, making conception a challenge. Next, we have alcohol. Too much of it can disrupt menstrual cycles and lead to ovulation disorders. Lack of exercise is another culprit. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for fertility. Lastly, let's not forget about sleep. Inadequate sleep can mess with your hormones, affecting everything from your menstrual cycle to your mood. So you see, these lifestyle choices aren't just affecting your general health, they're impacting your reproductive health too. Remember, it's not about perfection but about making better choices each day. Your lifestyle can make or break your health, choose wisely. And the number 1 thing to avoid is ignoring symptoms. Listen, your body is quite the communicator. It's always sending you signals, and it's crucial that you pay attention to them. If you notice any changes or symptoms, don't brush them off. They could be your body's way of telling you that something isn't quite right. Now I know it's tempting to jump on the internet, type in your symptoms, and self-diagnose. But let's be honest, that's a dangerous game to play. You're not a doctor, and even if you were, it's nearly impossible to be objective about your own health. Ignoring symptoms, or worse, misdiagnosing yourself, could delay necessary treatment and potentially worsen your condition. So, what should you do instead? Well, it's simple. When you notice something out of the ordinary, seek medical advice promptly. Remember, your health is not a guessing game. When in doubt, seek professional help. In summary, maintaining optimal reproductive health involves much more than you might think. It's a holistic approach, blending physical, emotional, and lifestyle factors. Regular checkups are crucial. They are your first line of defense. They help you spot issues early and nip them in the bud. Equally important is mental wellness. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all significantly affect your reproductive health. So, taking care of your mind is just as vital as taking care of your body. Nutrition also plays a key role. A balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and nutrients will keep your reproductive system functioning at its best. Coupled with this, making healthy lifestyle choices like exercising regularly and avoiding harmful habits is essential. Lastly, never ignore symptoms. If something feels off, get it checked out. Your body knows when something is not right. That's all for today. Remember, your health is your wealth. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.